Let's go ahead over to Vasily, PhD and researcher. Why don't you come on, Vasily, and tell us a little bit about what you do?
Yeah, thank you, Justin, for having me. So yeah, I'm Vasily. I'm head of research in PowerPool. So PowerPool is a protocol for automating on-chain transactions based on on-chain and off-chain triggers. So simply you can automate almost any kind of algorithms on-chain using PowerPool. So if you need a limit order, DCA, liquidation protection, payment streaming, and Uniswap position management, or any other of like endless set of use cases in DeFi, you definitely can use PowerPool. So yeah, our vision is that in like a couple of years, the significant share of block space in Ethereum and rollups will be consumed by automated transactions because users don't want to do a lot of manual actions. It improves UI a lot, and also protocols and DeFi in general becomes more and more complex, and it requires some automated solutions for users. For example, I doubt that every user manages USAB3 positions himself or making some limit orders himself. So it means that, yeah, that in the future a lot of DeFi will be automated, and yeah, we try to deliver this vision with PowerPool. So, and my background is chemistry, so I'm a PhD in chemistry and computations, and I built some DeFi products together with PowerPool. Also, I engaged in in token engineering design and and simulations and stuff. And I'm an encryptor for quite a long time. I joined in 2013 with some mining and trading activities, and in 2017 I decided to pivot, all my career to crypto entirely. So it was quite a long
No,
journey for me.
It,
Yeah.
it's funny. It's an interesting space that way. I've met people who are clinical psychologists or mechanical engineers, or recording artists and engineers, for example, who throw everything into blockchain. Has your background in chemistry informed your path through blockchain through working in Web3?
Yep. I think it made a significant influence, on decision making, what to do. So because the chemistry is mainly the science about the classifications, because it's like very broad science with a lot of stuff that you never can, remember entirely, but you can classify stuff, and based on these classifications, you can decompose compounds, chemical reactions and stuff. So, and I think it helps me a lot in crypto, in token design stuff, and classifying different apps, and value capturing stuff, and etc. Yeah, I think that chemistry interested a lot, and I also want to say vice versa, that I know like several chemists, in DeFi, for example, the head of research in Bancor is also a chemist. So yeah,
Huh.
I'm not alone.
That Yeah, that's pretty cool. I can see how the scientific method in itself, the tendency to classify in order to understand these are all kind of useful principles toward expanding this brand new thing, folks. I mean that's the thing. Like everything in blockchain, we call it a wild west. I call it a wild west a lot because everything is so new. It's still being invented. So applying any structure for logic around it is actually helpful in a lot of ways. I've seen it happen over and over again. So that's very cool from a chemistry perspective.